Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka company de kali hasilong kata ka Maruti Suzuki kelas dang ya kajing rakhe ayam Christmas da ka bakala la bande do shispa tali ki kali Celerio ha ka shisngi kata ha ka arphawai tarik uno pra arhajar arphawai ha ka sngi jong kalampung Celerio Christmas Carnival ya ka balapan long hamadan yale kai fire brigade shalong ha ka te ka sngi uba met ba lengdo lampang kayeng dor ba thawan ka jella ulalong kumukongsan Layo ru ban IT yakiteki kali syaki nong thiet da ukongsan.
Of Banalari World Cars, Sri Kongwar, MD of Banalari World Cars, and Mr. Abir Barwa, Regional Manager of Maruti Suzuki North.
And this also especially for one specific model, which is the new Celerio. So I would like to congratulate in advance to all those customers who have really valued Maruti and choose Celerio to be the model and the car for this Christmas celebration and for the new year 2022 as well. So once again, I would like to convey my best wishes to all the dearest customers and their families. Wish you all the best with the new car and drive safe and God bless you all.
Maruti hapo kaji lamjong new branch manager kalale special kakwa ban pediang buram fi kinong thiet ya kine ke Maruti Celerio new Celerio de klap bok nang gini kesni ban pelai pai ba chisen pelai la kumno kumba chispa tuli ting ya dan hawi kumba chispa ngut ki customer ki ban sim ya gini ke kali mai ini scam ba fidan ke chisania babhai ke Maruti nakada dawi tidak banyak syak piham sim ban kerke ya gini ke Maruti PI up ban ya kami kesini ban pelai pai ba dia kajing sulmu ya fibaro pai ba ke memuncul bercin banyak kemen lang menta kesini dia ngai ke buram ke advance Christmas fi kunjur ya senen tumai kunjur kooperasi bone fibaro.
Maruti Suzuki has a market share of 80%. It means out of every 100 cars sold in Meghalaya, 80 cars are sold from Maruti. So that's again, it shows the confidence of the customer towards this brand, because across India the Maruti Suzuki market share is 43% and in Northeast it is only 50%. That means in Meghalaya the brand pool of Maruti is strong because three of our dealers, Rani Motors Jelly Shop, Banalari World Cars in Maulai and Rani Motors in Moblai, they are creating happy customers and they are giving one of the best services in the country. So, and also this is a very happy news I am going to share. The market share of Maruti in Meghalaya, which is 80%, is highest across the India. So, thank you so much. I would like to thank every customer from the bottom of my heart for patronizing this product and helping this brand to grow further. Thank you so much.
Next, we have Paresh Mona. Number 3 is Suyak Purba. Dignitaries to kindly go to the flag off platform to flag off.
Congratulations, sir. Sir, please take it. Please take it. Please take it.